Where are your ears? Ears? Where's your ear? Elliot, where are your ears? Ear? Where's your hair? Where's your tummy? Close enough. Where's your teeth?
Teeth.
Where are your teeth?
Teeth.
Yeah? Teeth? No. I don't know if that's a good idea, but okay. Where are your teeth?
Teeth door.
Can you show me where your teeth are? Teeth? Teeth?
Teeth.
Where are your feet? Right. Good job. Yay. Yay. Can you say please? Can you say please? Please? You say more? Good job. Can you say please? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good job.